So guys, we already purchased our ticket and it's too expensive for 2 days. It's 76 euros, right? 76 euros for two person for 2 days for us to roam around and use the train unlimited. Okay, so that's 4,000 pesos in Philippine currency, okay, and it's really expensive, so we really have to maximize our ticket.
It's our first time in Paris, and in this vlog, I'll share some tips for you to save time and budget and also give my honest impression of the city of lights, love, and romance, Paris. And before anything else, let me introduce myself. It's me again, Wayne, sharing my travel experiences which you may use as a travel guide on your next backpacking adventures.
So guys, we finally arrived in Charles de Gaulle, Paris we got confused earlier. We don't know where to exit. We were looking for the immigration, but apparently we didn't see any. So we went straight to the baggage claim to get our luggage, and good thing it's there. So dapat may train, taxis. Ito. So guys, we're looking for the train. Okay, so yes, there's no immigration anymore. According to Mark, it's because we came from a European country, a Schengen area such as Vienna, because that's where we departed going to Paris. And right now we're just looking for a train so we can go to the city center. Yes, so guys, now we saw the train station. So if you're going to take the train at this time coming from Charles de Gaulle Airport, just look for RER or Rare. That's the train system of Paris. So there's a signage that says RER or Rare. So guys, for purchasing ticket for your train, you have to go to this line and ticket vending machine. So guys, we already purchased our ticket and it's too expensive for 2 days. It's 76 euros, right? 76 euros for two person for 2 days for us to roam around and use the train unlimited. Okay, so that's 4,000 pesos in Philippine currency, okay, and it's really expensive, so we really have to maximize our ticket. Now, in the ticket vending machine, what you have to take note, there is an attendant who can actually assist you in navigating the vending machine. Okay, so if you're intimidated or you're not really good in using computers such as ticket vending machines of other countries, then you can ask for assistance, and they'll be able to help you. And just tell them if you wanted to travel for 1 day, single journey, or round trip. There's also a price for adult and price for kids. So guys, currently we're from the time that we landed, it was quite confusing, and right now it's still confusing finding and knowing which train side to take, because there's a port N and Porte N and Porte S, which is Porte North and Porte South. So the screen doesn't say which, it actually say the location, but we are going to Gare Nord, so we don't know which side to take, and people are also confused, and this is really not a good way to start your day. So guys, you can never go wrong with asking question directly from the airport staff. So that's what I did because we are really confused which side to take. And according to them, it's platform 11 and 12 on the Porte North, Porte end. Okay. So guys, this is the platform 11 to 12 for Gare de Nord. Okay. And of course, you need to prepare your ticket. So that's gonna take us 36 minutes from the Charles de Gaulle Airport to arrive at Gare de Nord. So this is the train station. Okay. So everyone is in a hurry. Okay. So there are two trains you can take. Not so sure if both trains actually can bring you to Gare de Nord. So guys, sumakay na lang kami. Hindi na alam kung ano. But I think it's gonna pass to Gare de Nord, which is our where our hotel is actually located. It's 3 stations away from this airport. So guys, what we actually observe with Charles de Gaulle Airport, the travelers are, the directions and the signages actually are not very clear. You'll see people, you know, looking to one another. I mean, looking to each other because of confusion of which exit to go, which escalator to take, which train to take, you know. So this is my honest opinion. This could have been better for the traveler's experience if you know, the signs are more traveler friendly, if I may call it that way. So if you're traveling to Paris for the very first time, you have to make sure that you do your own research very well, you know, so that it saves you time as well. For us, I'm using Rome to Rio, but still, you know, I've used this app for quite some time already. But still, you know, it wasn't able to, you know, give the exact location of where to buy the ticket, you know, which platform to take, you know. Unlike when we were in Vienna, everything was clear. When you look at the app, you know, you'll easily understand it, you know. So that's my first impression of Paris, Charles de Gaulle Airport. Another thing is that it seems that the airport is not it's modern, you know, but it's not well maintained, you know. Like, you know, small scratches in the window of the train. There are trash along the, you know, the pavements, you know. And considering this is a 24/7, of course, you know, it's an airport, definitely is 24/7. Guys, can you see that? It's actually past 10 in the morning and it's still foggy. And there you go, you know, the fog is so thick. We're in Paris. So guys, we finally found our hostel. Mahal dito eh. So guys, this is our toilet. Okay, not bad. It's clean. Okay. Okay, it has a shower. Okay, lavatory, and of course yung toilet bowl, may tissue. Okay, you have your own mini bar. I don't think it has a fridge, but at least it has a kettle and some coffee, and then of course the mug, the mirror, and the bed good for 2 person, and of course some side lamps. Okay, and a view of some old buildings here in Paris. Okay, and of course a heater. Right now I'm really appreciating the heat of the sun because I'm really freaking cold because of the weather. Okay, there's also this steel hanger or cabinet, if I may call it that way. So not bad. This is a hostel. Okay, so we're not expecting too much about it, you know. I don't think this is concrete wall. Okay, they have a password. Okay, and you have your own key card. Okay, so there. Okay, not bad for an overnight in Paris. Accommodations, hotels are very expensive, especially if it's in the city center. So it's very important that you find a very good place to stay. Anyways, you'll be almost out every day because you'll be exploring the place. So if you're in a tight budget, then don't hesitate to stay on a hostel such as Christopher's Inn. Okay, so there.
On our next vlog, we are going to explore Paris and see one of the most iconic towers in the world, the Eiffel. So don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe because here, you're always the winner. A bientôt!